Hi guys, what's up? It's me, Faith, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm finally going to be doing an apartment tour. It is taking me a nice hot minute to get my room to how I like it. Because as you guys know, I'm extremely indecisive, and yeah, I just want everything to be perfect. My OCD kicks in, and that's it. So I finally got my room to my liking, and yeah, I'm going to share it with you guys. I'm going to try to keep this intro short because I know that this is going to be a long video. If you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up for me, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button right below me because why not? Do it. I said so you should do it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so when you come down here, my room is right here on the left. This is my roommate's room, and then this is our bathroom. So here is my room. So I'm gonna start with my bed because that is the first thing you see when you walk in. Obviously it's right in the smack center of the room. I probably spend 90% of my day on my bed. That's just the truth. As far as the bed frame goes, because I know you guys are gonna ask, my dad made it for me, so sorry. And then my comforter is from Amazon. I will try and remember to link it down below. If I don't, just yell at me and I'll post it. The sheets I got from TJ Maxx, they were like Tommy Hilfiger, I think. Being bougie right there, I got them really cheap. And then this little pillow is the only pillow I have on my bed because I'm not gonna be that crazy lady that collects like a million throw pillows because I just think it's pointless. So I went simple and I got this pink and red striped one from IKEA for like $5. I love her. I think it looks really cute and I like the simplicity of it. I've always wanted a white bedspread and just have never gotten one. Mainly because my dog Gizmo is black and she likes to jump on my bed a lot. So I just didn't have white because it got really dirty fast. But when I moved to my apartment, I said, it's time to get your dream white bedspread because what else did I want in life? And so far it's done a good job at keeping it clean. I do get nosebleeds sometimes, so that was catastrophic moment, but I got it out with hydrogen peroxide. So if you guys want to know how to keep it clean, hydrogen peroxide. And then my little pink throw blanket over here is also from IKEA. It's not that soft, but I thought it was cute, so I threw it on the bed and it kind of just matches the vibe I have going on. And my favorite part of my entire room is my lovely checkered print rug. I am obsessed with this. Some people are probably like, Faith, why did you put a rug on top of a rug? And to that I would say because why not? It looks so cute. I'm obsessed with it. I think it really like ties my whole room together. I got it from Amazon, but it's been sold out. It's pretty inexpensive, so I will link it down below if you guys wanted to check it out. It's actually really great quality and I love it. I'm obsessed. So that is my bed, and then up here, I guess this is the headboard. It's a really low bed. I just like my bed being low to the floor. These baskets are, I'm sure you guys have seen, I'm literally so basic sometimes. These are from Hey Design. These are the foldable crates. I got this one in off-white and I just have it right here with all my vitamins and drugs and eye drops, glasses, you know, the whole 9 yards. I also have earplugs because my freaking upstairs neighbor Brian, he's very loud, so I have to have earplugs. And then on this side, let me bring it around town. I have my little cloud diffuser because the air up here is not good for my nose, and I also get nosebleeds like I mentioned earlier, so humidifier is good for that. I haven't been plugging it in because I've been a bad girl, but I try to keep it plugged in, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna, you know what guys, comment down below and tell me to plug it in so I don't forget, because I really need to run that because that would probably help with my nosebleeds. This is also from Amazon. I really like it. It lights up, it's cute. And then above my lovely bed, as you guys can see, Faith has installed a holographic party banner. You guys can imagine how excited my dad was to see that his daughter bought a $10 kids party holographic garland and hung it in her room, because what else would she do? That is where that is from. I'll link it down below. It's absolutely beautiful and I think it really ties my room together. The butterflies that are through it, as you guys can see, because I couldn't just have just the banner up. These are also holographic, and then the back is like a light purple, two of my favorite colors, and I think it turned out really cute because I needed something above my bed, but I didn't want like paintings or anything, and this just felt perfect. Is it meant for a birthday party? Yes, but you know what? Who says you can't have a birthday party in your room every single day? Think about it. And then to the left, we have this on the wall. This is actually an old thing I got from Target. It's supposed to be like something you can like hang stuff on, but I kind of just liked it bare. And these babies, I decided to take 2 old skateboards of me and my brothers because we used to skate because we were punks, and I painted them. So yeah, I saw some really cool paintings on TikTok and Pinterest and then painted them. They turned out far better than my expectations could have ever imagined. I'm very proud of myself. If you guys can tell, I even took it to the next bougie level and put resin on them, so that's why they're super shiny. Some ASMR right there for you guys. I'm obsessed with them. I think the green one is my favorite, but let me know in the comments down below if you like Cosmo or Wanda better. Yes, I named them that because they're green and pink. What else would I name them? But yeah, they're super cute. I love how they turned out, and I think they fit my room decor perfectly. I'm gonna go over here to my side table and my bookshelf next. My little nightstand is from IKEA. It's actually 10 bucks and it was originally black, but me being me, I couldn't have a basic black nightstand. So what I did was I spray painted it purple, the same purple as my phone because that's my favorite color. And then I had an idea because I went through like a DIY phase, and I thought, what if I Mod Podge glitter all over it? Wouldn't that be sick? And you know what I did? Mod Podge glitter all over it. This is what it looks like. I got the glitter from Hobby Lobby. It's so freaking cute. Just love the look of it, and it was the perfect height. And then over here we have my bookshelf. I love her very much. She holds all my books and miscellaneous items. Up on top we have some pictures. This is me at 21 Pilots. Tyler and Josh, if you're watching this, which you're probably not, I love you. And I have a picture of my mom. I have a vase, my little porg from Star Wars. This is my Lightning McQueen collection. And before you guys ask, yes, I have a Lightning McQueen collection. Over here is another picture frame, a candle, and a little vase. Then we have my little Gizmo shrine because I love Gizmo so very much. Right here, I have all my fiction books. A lot of my books are at home, but I did bring some. And then this is a light that I painted because I, like I said, went through a DIY phase, but it's from Target. I just painted it. Down here, I have my self-help and religious books because I need self-help. And this bookend is from Target, but I painted it as well. Guys, I literally painted like half of the stuff in here. And this little balloon dog is from Amazon. It's actually a piggy bank, but I didn't put any money in it. It just is empty inside, like me. Over here, we have a random box and then some perfume. Moving downwards, we have a picture frame with no picture. I have a candle that I bended to make it look aesthetic, and then a little roller skate base thing that I also painted and put some flowers in. Then I have my newest addition to my Lightning McQueen collection. My brother got me this for my birthday, and it's on my bookshelf because where else would it be? Then I have another one of those Hey Design baskets. This one's in a light green color, and it has 2 candles, a candle that I broke and I need to fix, and then some more vitamins. Down here I have some more candles. I have 2 vases that I also painted. Then right here I have this crate full of essential oils because I used to be that kind of person. I'm not anymore, guys. I've changed, but I still use them, so yeah, sorry. And then right here, I'm so excited to share these with you guys. I have my planners and notebooks from Papier. So this is all my picks from Papier. I will have everything linked down below. You guys should definitely check them out. Like I said, cutest stuff. This is my planner. Very simple and basic. The reason I picked this is because it matches my Glossier makeup bag, and I like the aesthetic of that. I use planners a lot. So like you have your basic months and here and kind of break it down for the month ahead and stuff you want to do. And then if you guys want a weekly overview day by day, that is also in here. It's super cute and you can customize it with your name. And you guys can also customize the name of the planner. This is the academic planner and that's what it used to say, but I just changed it to daily planner since I'm not in school anymore. Then they sent me this really cute notebook. Guys, is this not like the cutest notebook ever? I love the bright colors and the fruit. This is what the inside looks like, just standard notebook paper. It's a hardcover. Then I got this really cute weekly desk planner and this really cute checkered pink and red print. I've been obsessed with pink and red lately, as you guys can see, for example. And I really like the print on this. I think it's really cute. This is also something I love to use to plan out my weeks. It just helps me get stuff done. I tend to get stuck in ruts and it's always nice to write it out. And then lastly, I have 3 little to-do list notepads that all say my name. This one's my favorite, obviously, because it's pink and red, but there are a bunch of other colors. And this is what the inside looks like. And they also sent me a matching little pink and red pen that I love too. So yeah, you guys should definitely check them out. I'll put my link down below for you guys to go shop their website. I'm obsessed. I get so many compliments compliments on these, and I think they're just the cutest thing ever. So that is everything on my beautiful bookshelf. It's a little crowded, but I kind of like it. I think it's cute, and I change it around a lot, so yeah, you never know what might be there. Now moving over here to this wall. This is my desk area. If you watched my college move-in vlog from last year, you guys would know that I did this really cool collage wall, and obviously I loved it, so I wanted to incorporate it again into my room. And yeah, I just kind of hung the pictures up the same way I did in my dorm room. I get a lot of questions asking how I hung it up. I just used painter's tape and it worked perfectly. Next up for my desk, this is from Target, but my dad painted it white for me because I didn't like the color it was before. It's originally like gold and like a cherry wood kind of color, but I really like the white a lot better. This chair, guys, I'm still looking for a good office chair. I literally have this like $15 one that has stains on it that I've had since like middle school. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any chair suggestions, because your girl needs a new chair, because that's not gonna cut it for me. Underneath my desk, I have a printer, and then this container, which has all my hair tools in it. Nothing fun there. On top of my desk, of course, I have my skincare fridge up on my desk. This is by the brand Makeup Fridge. You guys should definitely check them out. They're really cute. I have it in pink, and then I just put some stickers on. I need to put some more. I just haven't done it yet. But yeah, this has a bunch of my skincare in here that I use every day. It keeps it cold. Really like it when my skincare is cold, so this is a must-have. Then I have this makeup mirror. This is from this brand. I think I got it in a FabFitFun box. I don't really know. Then I have these pencil cups that are from TJ Maxx. My medicine is in there because #anxiety. And then for some reason I have instant dry nail polish. I don't really know. Then I have my really cute glossy makeup bag. This thing is just beautiful, and obviously I wanted to display it. I have another disco ball. This one's from Amazon. Over here we have a lamp. This is like a $6 lamp from Target. I have a perfume and then a hairbrush. Over here I have two more of my Hey Design baskets. One is in a light blue and the other is in a lavender. Cutest things ever. I stacked two of them. The bottom one has makeup in it, and then this top one has skincare in it. Then I have this really cute little rainbow keychain that my roommate made me, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. I love the pink color. It matches, and I think it just looked really cute over here. She sells these online, so I will definitely link it down below. You guys should check them out because look how cute that is. And then lastly on my desk, I have this coaster. It's like a giant coaster. I found this at Goodwill. These are originally from IKEA. I have two of these, and I got them at Goodwill for like $4. And yeah, I put it right here so I can put my water bottle on top of it so it doesn't mess up this desk, because I already have done that. So that is to prevent future mistakes from happening. But yeah, that is my little desk area. All right, now we're gonna turn around because I forgot to do this little area before I show you guys my closet. This clothing rack is from IKEA, and I think it's really cute. It adds more clothing storage, but it also is a cute way to display my like colorful clothes. Below I have some of my sneakers and boots. These are my most worn shoes. And then up here on my wall, I have a cowboy hat because why not? That is from Amazon. And then right below it is my Rise and Shine sign. That is from Target. That I bought because of Kylie Jenner, obviously. And then I have this really cute painting. I do not take credit for this. I saw another girl had this in her room, but it was like really expensive, and I just drew it and painted it myself. I almost forgot this complete side of my room. This chandelier is another prized possession of mine. I thrifted this for $5, guys. Can you believe that? Below it, I have my mirror. This is from Target. The disco ball lights are from Target, and the garland's Hobby Lobby. And right beside it, I found this really cool artist. I think her TikTok is Caro Crafts, and she makes really cute collage prints, so I picked up two of them. Then right beside that, I have my dresser. This is from IKEA, and on top of it I have my TV and then my sound bar. Right beside that, I have my little display of colorful things that make me happy. Then on this side, I still have my same jewelry holder that I've had for a while. This is from Amazon. I have this really cute lava lamp that one of my friends got me for my birthday. Then I have two more candles. That's everything that's on my dresser, and then above it I just put the rest of the butterflies I had. This moonlight, this is from Urban Outfitters. I've had this for quite a while, and obviously I had to repurpose it in here, and I think it's really cute. And then I have my big fat bulb lights from IKEA up here. Definitely a vibe at night. All right, and now lastly I think is my closet. So I have another mirror here. I do have a really nice spacious closet, which is a huge blessing because I have way too many clothes. Yeah, I'm not gonna go into too much detail because I'm sure you guys don't care, but up here I have a bunch of junk some shoes. Then I have my makeup stand from IKEA. This is a bunch of my makeup, skincare, and a bunch of crap that I don't have anywhere else to put. I have some purses hanging here. Fun fact, I actually had another one hanging right here, but it kept falling off the wall at like 3 a.m. and scaring the absolute shiz out of me. I thought I was gonna end up on an episode of Dateline. Yeah, I haven't hung it back up yet because it fell off multiple times and I got mad at it. Yeah, it used to look a lot cuter, but for now, I put those bags right here. And obviously I have my longer clothing there. Over here, I have my t-shirts, hoodies, and stuff. Everything's color organized. Not really down here, but up here it is. And above there, I have some crate. That's kind of the overview of my closet. It's very spacious. I could fit someone in here. So if you guys want to spend the night, I have a spot for you. So that is everything in my room. Now I'm gonna show you guys the rest of my apartment. So walking out here, like I said, this is my roommate's room. And then we share this bathroom. Super modern, definitely really bougie looking, very simplistic, not really much to show you guys in here, but if you wanted a little overview of it. Then if you come down this hallway, to the right, we have our laundry room, which is nothing special, but yeah, we have this closet with all of our laundry stuff. And yeah, washer and dryer. This little guy, he's my buddy, and my laundry basket's in here right now. But it matches the rest of the apartment, nice and spacious. Then, when you come out, right in front of you, you have this closet. This is our hall closet. There's not like a ton of stuff in here, but yeah. And then you come down the hallway, and this is our living space. This is our couch. I thrifted this online. I guess that's thrifting. I got it on Facebook Marketplace for like 50 bucks, super cheap, and I cleaned it, and it looked really cute. So shout out to Facebook Marketplace. The pillows are from Target, and then this blanket is from Urban. This used to be on my bed, but since I changed my vibe up a bit, I put her out here. We don't have a ton of furniture out here yet, just because we haven't gotten anything, but this rug my dad got from Ollie's, so shout out to my dad, came in clutch. We have the TV, vacuum cleaner, because why would you not have a vacuum cleaner out here? Out there, we have our little patio area. It's super small, but if we want to sit outside and take in the beautiful views of bushes, we can do that. Then this is our kitchen. It's super modern and bougie, just like the rest of it. Like I said, nothing too abnormal for you to see here, but I'll give you guys a little rundown if you want to see it, because I know you're nosy. This is our fridge. Nice Whirlpool quality. We have this storage, which I honestly don't even think anything's up here. Is there? Yep, there's nothing, because it's too high up. Then here's some more cabinets. Some more stuff with more cabinets. This is our pantry. I'll show you guys all of our food. It's very spacious in here, I will say. Then over here, we have the stove and obviously more cabinets. And these are mine, so I'll show you guys what's in mine. You guys are gonna laugh. But I totally have rainbow silverware because why would I not use my adult money to get oil slicked spoons? It's honestly quite great. That is my Euphoria looking silverware. Totally got a colander the same style because I have no shame. These are my pots and pans. I'm really proud of them because I love to cook, and I got these at TJ Maxx and they're very great quality, so I highly recommend TJ Maxx. I have my cloths, my little pot holders that are obviously pink, some more glassware, just random cooking stuff in here, and then a lunchbox. You know, I honestly don't even know why I have that, but I brought it. Here I have this cutting board. This is a marble cutting board. I got this from Ross for like 6 bucks, so definitely check them out because it's super good quality. And then these are my cabinet. I have my holographic wine glasses because I thought these were the cutest thing in the world. Plates, cups, mugs, coffee, tea, coffee, containers, cups, and most importantly, Cinnadust. This is a quintessential, guys. Cinnadust is very important. I make Cinnadust toast and butter all the time. This is the dishwasher. I know you guys really want to see that. Another Whirlpool appliance here, guys. Then under here is just a bunch of boring cleaning stuff. And then we have my little ghost planter that I picked up from TJ Maxx and some cute flowers and stuff. And I also got this from TJ Maxx. It's like marble paper towel holder, and I was really proud of that. There's actually nothing in there. Oh, there is. Oh my gosh. Pans. That's so smart. Look, guys, I'm finding out new things. So yeah, that is the kitchen and the living space. So that's gonna do it for my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry if I rambled on a lot. I tend to do that when I describe my things because I talk to myself a lot. Anyway, I hope that I was a good tour guide for you guys. Yeah, I really like my room. I love my apartment, and I'm so excited to finally be all moved in and everything situated. But like I said, if I forgot to say where anything was from, just like call me out in the comments and I will let you know where it's from and put the link if it's available. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give this video a big bleh. Oh my gosh, okay. Give this video a big thumbs up because I just sounded like a robot. Yeah, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.